Hey, welcome to EVBYLiM tutorial. In this video we are going to look how to install the desktop wallet for your EBL token and also how to make a backup of the wallet. In this video I'm going to use Windows version of the wallet, but the process is similar with other versions too. And as the EBL token is built on Eureka blockchain, we actually need to install Eureka Coin wallet and then add the EBL as a custom token, like it is with the Ethereum tokens, so ERC20 tokens. You have your Ethereum wallet and then you add your custom tokens there. And if you would like to know more about this Eureka blockchain, you can find a link to a short explanation video up here and also in the video description down below, where you can also find a link to the website. So check them out if you would like to know more about the Eureka blockchain. Anyway, now to this tutorial. On the wallet download page, choose your preferred version to download. I'm going to use Windows 64-bit version. Just click the button and then choose Save As and choose the place where you want to save the file. I'm going to save it to my desktop. After the download, click the download file to start the installation process. Let's click Next. Then choose where you want to install the wallet and choose Next. Here you can also choose do you want to create shortcuts. So if you don't want any shortcuts, just check the box and click Install. With the current wallet version, you also have to download the Eureka blockchain. More about that later. Right now, just click Next. And then choose Run Eureka Coin Core and click Finish. Now you have also option to choose where you want to download the blockchain. And the size of the blockchain depends on when you are installing it. At the moment of shooting this video, I'm required to have at least 6 gigabytes of disk storage. So make sure you download those files to the place where you have enough free space and then click OK. Now the wallet is starting and it starts to synchronize with the network. And sometimes the starting of the synchronization is quite slow, so you may need to restart the wallet to speed up the process. So wait for a minute or so, and when nothing is happening, just restart the wallet. Right now too we see that nothing is going on, so we may have to restart the wallet to get the connections and speed up the synchronization. And we can actually see the network connections by going to the bottom right. You see we have 0 connections at the moment. There is one more place where we can check those connections. Choose Help and Debug window. And now I have started to get some connections, so the process should start now. And yes, the current number of blocks have started to change, so the blockchain download process has started. In case you have no connections, and you have already restarted the wallet, or maybe the process is just too slow, you may have to add nodes manually, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's close this window. Let's go to Settings and then choose Options. And at the bottom we have Open Configuration file. So we need to open it. Let's click it, choose OK. And this is the place where we have to add now those nodes manually. And you can find those nodes in the video description. I have them already in another notepad, which is open. So I'm going to just copy them from here and just paste from one, just copy from one notepad to another. Then choose File and Save. And just close this window. And let's close this window here too by choosing OK. And actually we need to now restart the wallet for those nodes to take effect, because right now you see that nothing is happening. The numbers have frozen. And actually right now some process has started. But anyway, I still restart the wallet for those nodes to take effect. And for that choose File and Exit. And we are back. So let's check those connections now. and we see that we have 4 connections. And if you check the process, also we see that it is the pace is increasing. So if the synchronization process is too slow, just add those nodes manually, and this will speed up the blockchain synchronization process. Anyway, now I will pause the video and wait when this blockchain is fully synchronized, and we can proceed with the tutorial. Now our Eureka Coin wallet is fully synchronized, and we can move to the next step, which is creating receiving address. For that, we need to go to receive and click request payment. So this is the wallet address where you can now start sending your EBL tokens. But before you do that, there's actually one more step we need to make. Actually, we can already send those tokens there, but they are not showing up in our wallet because we need to add custom token to the wallet. Then the wallet recognizes those tokens. They are in that address, but we are not just seeing them, they are invisible. That's why we need to add the custom token by entering the contract address of EBL. So let's close this window. Let's go to my wallet and then click add. Here we have to add the contract address and also our token address, which is actually already here. Just click this little down arrow and you have already your address which we created just previously. And now we have to add the contract address, which you can again find in the video description. I have it already in my notepad. So I'm going to copy it from here and just paste it to this line. And everything else is filled automatically, so you don't need to enter anything else. And then just click confirm. And now if we go back to my wallet, we should see the EBL token here, and it is showing up here. So we have managed to add this custom token to our wallet. With that, the setup process of the wallet is done, and you can start sending your EBL tokens to the wallet. But I highly recommend to do 2 more steps, which are first encrypt your wallet, so set the password, and the second one is to back up the wallet in case something happens with your PC or something happens with this wallet application. And let's start with setting up a password, so encrypting our wallet. And for that, let's go to settings and choose encrypt wallet. And just enter your password here. But a really important note here, you have to remember this password, because if you forget this password, you can say goodbye to your tokens, because there is no way you can get them back. You are seeing them in the wallet, but you cannot actually access those tokens. We cannot send them out. So please put something that you really remember, or write it somewhere in a safe place, so you really have this password whenever you want to use this wallet. Then click OK, and here you also get the confirmation. So if you encrypt your wallet and lose your passphrase, you will lose all your Eureka coins and also all coins which are built on Eureka blockchain. So this includes your EBL too. So are you sure you wish to encrypt your wallet? Choose yes. And in a few moments you will have another pop-up which states that for this encryption to take effect, we need to restart the wallet. And also that if you have created any backups before you encrypted the wallet, you have to create new backups. Anyway, now just click OK and restart the wallet. And we are back again. And now we have one more step to go. And this is backing up the wallet. And for that, we need to go to File and choose Backup Wallet. Then choose the place where you want to store this backup file. But don't store it to the same drive where you have this wallet installation, because there's no point in doing that. If something happens to that drive, you lose your wallet and you also lose your backup file. So store it in another drive, and of course the best option would be to store it in external device, so maybe external hard drive, USB stick, or some kind of memory card, because then you can be really safe if something happens with your PC. You have your backup file in external device and you can use it to get access to your tokens if you need to install the wallet again. And now we have completed all the steps, and you don't have to make the backup file whenever you make new transaction or you receive a new transaction. You have to make the backup file only when you change something in the wallet in its settings. So whenever, let's say, you create a new receiving address, then you need to create a backup wallet, because your coins are always attached to the address you have access to, but the wallet has to know which wallet address belongs to you and which not. So the backup file stores all those addresses, but all transactions, they are stored in the blockchain. So your wallet doesn't know all those transactions, just your addresses. And when it synchronizes with the network, all those transactions are linked to your address. So whenever you create a new receiving address, then also create a new backup file. And that's it. You have completed all the steps and you are ready to start using Eureka Coin wallet to store your EBL tokens. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you got some value out of this video, smash that like button, of course. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button and also bell icon next to it. And we will see each other in the next video. So take care and enjoy your journey with EVBYLiM. Bye bye.